Welcome to our channel Islamic Quiz. Are you ready for, what is this called quiz? Let's get started. The right answer is, IHRAM. Hijri Aswad. MINA tense. ZAMZAM. This is called KAABA. SAFA MARWA. This is called HATEEM. It's clock tower. MISWAK. This is TASBEEH. HIRA. These are called dates. MADINA. It's JANAMAZ. Arafat. MASJID QUBA. JANNATUL BAQI. It's Maqam Ibrahim. RUKAN YAMANI. This is called Quran. How many did you get right? Comment down below your score. And please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.